Vijay, let me begin by asking you, when the script first came your way and it was a romance yet another time for you, how did you feel about it and why did you choose the character?
I felt like I was reading a script from a literary background, or a tale that I have probably read as a child. It has a very literature quality to it, which I found very fascinating. The dialogues that are written are so poetic and of a certain nature and from a certain time, which we've completely lost in touch with. And at the same time, the character is also deeply innocent and full of desires and wishes for life, and also has a flair for for poetry. So, and a deeply romantic at heart, like failed miserably several times at love and still tries. So it was a very interesting mixture, is what I felt, and the team was very, very exciting to work with. Like, I was getting a chance to work with Nasiruddin Shah, who I deeply, deeply admire and respect, and I wished that I would do an on-screen relationship with him, which is one that we both remember, and for audience to enjoy. So getting a chance to work with Fatima for the first time, Sharif for the first time, Vibhu for the first time, and Manish, of course, producing it for the first time. So it was a very interesting novel idea, a refreshing take on a slow love in modern fast in the age and day and age of fast-paced romance and fast food and fast fashion. Here is a man who wears a jacket for 10 years. उस पे रफू करवा करवा के.
So interesting. That last line was so interesting. Fatima, ye Ool Jalul Ishq, how did it become Gustakh Ishq? What did the makers tell you guys about it?
उसकी कहानी ये है कि उलझुल शब्द खुद में बहुत ही उलझा हुआ है. सो आई थिंक द मेकर्स फेल्ट दैट इट वोंट कि
That was no. I feel we were all very afraid that people will not pick up the word easily.
Concept on also, yeah.
क्योंकि हम लोग जिनको बोलते थे वो रिपीट नहीं कर पाते थे हमारे बात. हमने बोला कि कौन सी फिल्म कर रहे हो, मैं कह रहा उलझुल क्या. तो हमने कहा या तो बोल नहीं पाएंगे, या अगर ट्वीट करेंगे हमारे बारे में तो लिख नहीं पाएंगे,
या तो अगर पॉडकास्ट बनाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
कुछ बोल. तो because I did IC814 and several movie critics and several including people who are educated and stuff, they were like IC148, IC481. So they would like, because these are numbers, it's not something that we remember very easily. It's not like Pushpa, so we wanted to simplify it for everybody to kind of. At the same time, we knew that there's a song called Ool Jalul Ishq, which Vishal ji had already composed.
Yeah.
So we knew that that word would anyway reach the audience. It's a new gift from Gulzar Saab, a return of the word in the pop culture. So it takes care of both the things. We have Ool Jalul Ishq as a song and Gustakh Ishq, which is a very accessible title.
बिल्कुल सही कहा.
Each and every actor, when they are associated with any project, they do take away something from the sets in terms of a token of or a learning, something very personal to their heart. Fatima, if I could ask you, what was that one thing that you have taken away from the sets?
Many things and many people actually.
हैं?
Yeah, my relationship hearts.
पहले लोगों को थिंग बोला उसने.
वो धीरे धीरे पहले वो थिंग ही थे, फिर वो दिल बन गए. So my friendship with Vijay, Manish, my interaction with Nasir ji, so I was very, and even Sharif. So ये सिर्फ एक फिल्म नहीं है कि जहाँ पे इतने सारे एक्टर्स आके साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, पर यहाँ पे बहुत ही गहरी दोस्ती बनी है. क्योंकि ये जो प्रोसेस था, यहाँ पे हमने पोइट्री, गज़ल, शायरी, ये सारी जो चीज़ें बहुत नई हैं मेरे लिए भी. सो ये इनका जो कैरेक्टर सीखता है बाकायदा नसीर जी से. मैं साइड में बैठ के वैसे भी इन दोनों को देख के काफ़ी कुछ सीख रही थी और समझ रही थी. और इसकी वजह से ना, ये फिल्म की वजह से मुझे लगता है काफ़ी सारे जो लोग मेरे जैसे हैं, जो इतना लिटरेरी में या गज़लों में या पोइट्री में इतने इंक्लाइन नहीं है, एटलीस्ट इट विल ओपन अप अ न्यू डोर फॉर अस, जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इंट्रीग, क्यूरोसिटी वो खुल जाएगी. जैसे अभी कि हमारा गाना है ऊल जुलूल इश्क, वो इतना सुनने के बाद फिर आपको क्यूरोसिटी आती है, 1 मिनट इसका मतलब क्या है, इतना सुंदर है. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे कई शब्द है इस फिल्म में.
Vijay, romance ke we have seen multiple facets, multiple aspects of romance. We have seen romantic thrillers, we have seen murder also related to romance a lot of times. This time, while we have watched the trailer, I saw a different kind of concept related to romance, which is more about yearning, more about longingness. How would you explain that to the viewers? Why should they be tuning in to watch this slow paced, slow burning romance, more about yearning and longing?
I think when the story is such that people are conflicted because of certain baggages that they carry, and some of their motives are unclear as to why you want to be with the other person or not want to be with the other person. There's a lot of mystery that all of us hide. Things that we are deeply hurted, deeply hurt with, or deeply scarred with, or some kind of a shadow that you carry with yourself. So my character has his own motives that could be questionable. Fatty's character, Minnie, she's also carrying a certain burden of her past. Narcissus' character is also carrying a massive rock on his chest. So when there are motivations which are not very clear, you don't know which direction to go. So sometimes you go carefully each step and you tread on a very thin rope. So this is where we are. So we are swayed by what our heart desires, and often our mind or intelligence says that this could lead you to danger. So there is restraint, there is caution. At the same time, there is this yearning. So it's a mixture of all.
When you speak about shadow, Fatima, I have to give it to you because you've been courageous and very brave enough that you recently spoke about being bulimic and also suffering from epilepsy.
Yeah.
To your younger self and to all the girls out there who are young, still struggling from it, what would be your message?
I think body image has become such a huge thing right now, not only for women, even for men, boys, young boys.
Yep.
And it's not just about you're not thin enough. It's even about you're not muscular enough.
Yeah.
So वो जो हम देखते हैं ना कि जो इंस्टाग्राम में कोई है जितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है उसके पीछे जो 50 फिल्टर्स है हम वो नहीं देखते. हमको लगता है ये इंसान ये ज़िंदगी जी रहा है और वाकया ज़िंदगी मैं क्यों नहीं जी रहा. And without working for it, you just want to reach there. So you don't want to do the work, but you want to look like that. And कुछ चीज़ें आपके हाथ में नहीं होती है और वो चीज़ करोगे ना आप सिर्फ फेल करोगे. तो वहाँ पे अगर वो रास्ता आपने शुरू कर लिया ना तो सिर्फ सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा और यहाँ पे किसी और का नुकसान नहीं होगा, सिर्फ आपका. आप ही हारोगे. सो ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आपको आपसे ही जीतना है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, इफ़ यू एवर फील लाइक कि आई हैव अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप विद अ पर्सन, विद फूड और विद एनी हैबिट एंड एनी एडिक्शन, you must talk about it. Because I realized that the more you hide and the more you live under a rock and in shame, it becomes that becomes your truth.
Yep.
And the moment you come out and open, fearing that you'll be shamed, actually you'll find a lot of people जो आपका हाथ पकड़ के बोलेंगे it's okay. एक्चुअली तो इससे गुजर रहा है, मैं ये भी चीज़ों से गुजर रही हूँ. तो आपको भी एम्पैथी मिलेगी और वो भी समझेगा, आप भी समझोगे. और मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स मुझे लगता है आई ऑल्सो देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई आई स्पोक अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई फील अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गो थ्रू इट एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बी दिस वॉइस where I could remind people that you can get over it. It can be just a phase and it's fine.
And last but not the least, because we have unfortunately run out of time on the interview, I have jotted down a couple of questions for quick rapid fire, just 3.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, Vijay, let's begin with you. A role you still think about, the one that changed you the most.
That changed me the most? Ooh. I don't know if it changed me, but it healed me when I found success in Gully Boy.
Oh, yeah.
And some of my recent work got me a lot of money, so that
That's
was
really
very welcoming.
Okay. One director on your bucket list that you would say yes to instantly.
There are quite a few. Sriram Raghavan is one of them.
I was just thinking about
Yeah, I would say Sriram Raghavan and and I have to restrict myself to India.
Okay.
Do I have
Yeah,
to restrict
yes,
myself to
yes.
India? Okay. So maybe as is Rajamouli. I love the director of Super Deluxe. I'm forgetting the name. I'm so sorry, I'm forgetting the name, but I absolutely love that director's work, and the one who made.
Malik.
No, the one with Fahad, where he's combing his hair, mustache, and saying Raymond's complete man.
Oh, नहीं मैंने नहीं.
अभी नाम याद नहीं आ रहा.
कोई नहीं. What's the one compliment from a co-actor that stayed with you?
Who actor? I think when there are quite a few. A recent compliment came from David G, not from my co-actor. He said, "तू यार तेरा ये ट्रेलर देख के गुरुदत्त की याद आ गई. You look like Gurudutt."
Wow.
Yes, thank you.
Fatima, now your turn. One
Yes.
thing people always get wrong about you.
That I'm a very serious person, and that I'm very tall. For some reason they think.
Wow.
Yeah.
नाक लंबी है ना तेरी.
हाँ शायद उसकी वजह से.
Joke.
ये मालूम है. हमारा चलता रहता है.
हमारा चलता रहता है.
A character you played that you would love to revisit now with your current perspective.
I have done a small, like a short film called Ajeeb Dastans with Jaydeep Alahat. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो
कौन क्या नाम बोलना फिर से?
अजीब दास्तान्स.
नहीं, एक्टर का नाम?
जयदीप अलाहाबाद.
फिर से?
नहीं क्यों बोलना तू.
बोलना.
नहीं मैं नहीं बोलूंगी.
फिर से बोल.
करेक्ट करना है.
बोलना.
नहीं मैंने कुछ गलत बोला.
एक बार बोल तो.
मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. करेक्ट जयदीप.
जयदीप.
नहीं.
आगे वाला?
नहीं.
ठीक है. मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. कमेंट सेक्शन वाले बता देंगे.
बोलना.
जयदीप अहलावत.
अहलावत. मैंने अहलावत बोला.
अलवावत.
अलवावत नहीं बोला मैंने. अहलावत बोला था.
एग्जैजरेशन करते हैं ना थोड़ा.
चलता है.
And last but not the least, what's your off-camera reset ritual after a demanding shoot?
हाय.
If I'm in a hotel room, hot tub, घर पे नहीं है मेरे पास.
गरीब.
गरीब.
मेरे पास भी नहीं है. बचपन में तो बाल्टी में बैठते थे.
These are the गुस्ताखियां that they get.
फिट हो जाते हैं. फ्रिज में भी बैठा हूँ बच. रिचुअल भाई आप बाटला में होटल यहाँ पर
अभी फ्रिज में बैठ जाता.
I sit on my I sit and I have a really nice green tea before bed in my balcony and enjoy the breeze and the view.
And what about you?
I love playing with my dog, Bijli. She gives me a lot of calmness and peace.
नहीं इसके लिए नहीं हंस रहा हूँ. सॉरी पुराना है.
कौन सा वाला?
बाल्टी में बैठ जाते थे.
सॉरी वो इंस्टिंक्टली निकला मेरा. हाँ तो वो बिजली के साथ खेलना और विंडो के सामने बैठ के चाय पीना. Same.
That's really beautiful. And on that note, on a laughing note, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap from my side.